Hey everybody! So, I hope everybody's doing alright, hanging in there with all the quarantining still. I know out in California we're still pretty much under quarantine, it's crazy stuff. But anyways, hope you're hanging in there. I know most people probably have a little free time on their hands, so I thought I'd show you a little upgrade you could do to your Telecaster. First of all, before we jump in, go ahead and give me a like, click that like button, and also hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel for more videos just like this. Let's jump in. First of all, here is a Telecaster style guitar that I'm working on, and it's going to be a relic. It's not quite done yet. Got this sweet ice blue metallic. Most Telecasters, as you know, come with this tele input jack, the cup jack, which I am not a fan of. The input jack always comes loose in here and you always have to tighten it, and it's such a pain, and that's the only thing that holds that piece in, along with a little claw like piece as well, and that's supposed to push pressure because it pushes these little hooks onto the outside and keeps the input jack from coming out. But I'm not a fan of this. This always comes undone, and this is one of the things I get asked to replace and fix for people a lot on Telecasters. Thought I'd show you my little fix to this and an easy little upgrade you could do. It's super easy. Let's jump in. We're gonna want to start by removing this guy. So first of all, in order to remove this, you're gonna need a socket. You don't have to have a socket. You could technically, if you don't have a socket, use a pair of needle nose pliers and try and go in at it like that, but you might end up scratching it. So we're actually going to take our 1/2 inch socket, and I already got it on there. Make sure you set it to loose. So righty tighty, lefty loosey, always remember. And we are going to loosen this guy. All right. Aha. Now we can pull this jack cup out. You might need a little help with some pliers. Now what we're gonna need to do is to remove that claw piece that I was talking about. So to do this, just take a pair of needle nose pliers, and you're gonna wanna push in that claw piece. That's the easiest way I find to remove it because of the way it's set. And just push it in and try and loosen it up that way. There we go, and we've got our input jack out. All right, we're gonna wanna save this guy, our washer, and our nut. This is our sweet upgrade, electrosocket, and we've got 2 screw holes in there. You get them from All Parts, obviously, it's great. And it's a cheap upgrade. This is a nickel input jack. I like nickel because it ages over time, but you'll see there's 2 screw holes. We got these little screws. This will actually screw in to this, which is very, very nice. But I'm gonna put a washer behind it so it doesn't unscrew. Put the nut on first, because that'll keep it from going too far down. Okay, that's better. That's more where we want it to sit. Make sure it's good and tight. That in like we want it. Alright, so that right there is a super easy tele upgrade. I don't know if you even want to call it an, I mean, I guess you could call it an upgrade. But literally only took me 5 minutes, not even. So that's something you could do to easily upgrade your tele. And I highly recommend it. That way you won't get any loose input jack anymore. It's just way easier to work with. It's going to be, you don't have to worry about it falling out while you're on stage, or pushing the input or pushing the cable up and then your input jack popping out, or having to, you know, tighten that nut while you're on stage with your fingers, but can't you fit your fingers in there? Yeah, so do this modification, do this upgrade. Highly recommend it. Be sure to leave questions and comments down in the section below, and I'll try to get to them. Yeah, hope this helps, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.